Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A30s, and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at first you have to switch off your phone. To do it, smoothly tap on power key and hold it for a while, and then select power off. Click on power off one more time to turn off the device, and as only it's off, tap on power key and volume up key and hold this all together. Now you can leave it as only you see the Samsung logo. And once you are in Android recovery mode, you can use volume up and down keys to go up and down, and then for selection use power key. So let me navigate to wipe cache partition. Here it is, and then smoothly tap on power key to select this option. Then you have to tap on volume down key to select yes, and then power key to confirm it. And as you can see, cache wipe complete. So now we can either reboot system now or pick power off the device, and then you can turn it on one more time manually, but I will reboot system now so it's restarted. And that's it. As you can see now, you can use your device in a normal way. You've just wiped cache. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.